Get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet Corvette. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.